This up off of eBay. This is a Toastmaster model 5235. It's not in too bad a condition. Motor's kind of tight on it. Gonna clean and oil it here. Cord has a nice chip out of it. So we're gonna replace the cord, we're gonna oil the motor. Let's see. So let's get this torn apart and see what it wants to do. On low and off. And it don't take very long to spin down. Okay, we got everything apart, and while it's not horribly dirty, it is in need of a pretty good cleaning. Bearings seem to be okay. We'll get them cleaned up, lubed up, and I don't think we're going to have any running problems. Whatever it was greased with the last time has just kind of left a cake on, and it's just generally dirty. Shouldn't be anything a good cleaning can't fix, so we'll start hitting it with the cleaner and clean it up, and should be running really nice pretty quickly. Alright, well, we're about as good as we're going to get for right now. After a bunch of trouble with the wiring, just because you write down what goes where doesn't necessarily mean that's how it's going to go back at the end. Fortunately, one miswire causing a little bit of smoke didn't damage the motor. Common sense got it rewired correctly, basically from scratch, and as you see, it is spinning much more freely. There is still some maybe just damage on the bearing. I don't know if you can hear it or not. There is a little bit of sound in there. It's lubed as well as it's ever gonna get. I'll eventually tear it back apart. I need to put that together properly, replace that actually. This is definitely not an everyday use or common use, but on hot days or outside or something, definitely a good garage fan. Not something you're going to be running long term or unsupervised. Work perfectly fine. Let's go ahead and power it up here and see. Spin down is considerably better. I haven't stress tested or length tested it yet to see if it gets severely hot after long running terms. Probably do that tomorrow or in the next couple of days, but like I say, this is a strictly garage fan. Alright, one time with the grills on. Much improved. Just got this off eBay today. Got 2 more coming.